This video will show you how to draw drainage areas. Keep in mind when you think about a road, it's not flat but it's crowned. So stormwater runoff is split between two sides of the road. Now let's look at our site, this large park. First we'll look at the stormwater runoff coming from the adjacent side of the street, the runoff that's flowing towards the park. Now I'm going to start at the corner, and we see that the flow arrow is pointing away from the corner. So stormwater will be flowing away from the corner to the next stormwater inlet, and that's this blue circle right here. Now I'm going to highlight the drainage area that's upstream of the corner inlet. So this is the stormwater that's flowing towards the corner inlet. And now for the drainage area that's flowing towards the mid-block inlet. Now I'm going to draw this area draining away from the corner, but I'll stop at the edge of the park because I'm only interested in stormwater runoff that can be brought into the park, not the runoff that's flowing away. Let's now look at the impervious areas on the site, like the basketball court and the playground. And now we'll look at the drainage areas for the opposite side of the street. This water would have to be piped under the road to get to the park. Again, I'm just highlighting the drainage areas for each stormwater inlet, and I'm only looking at areas that are upstream of the park. So if the flow arrow goes away from the park, it can't bring that water into the park. So here I'm only drawing up to the edge of the park, and after that the water continues down the road away from the park. These streets are also flowing towards the park. And there's some other drainage areas here because the school is going to take some of this runoff. So you see when I finish drawing all the drainage areas to an intersection, you get this 8-point star. Again here it's going to be divided into 8 sections. But I'm not going to include that other area because it's flowing away. And now you can go beyond the first intersection. If the flow arrows are still pointing towards the park, then topography is in your favor. The water would just have to be piped under the additional intersection towards the park. And remember to save your edits.